Welcome back to another video in my Rhodes series. Today we're on a tour of Rhodes Town. It's going to be afternoon into evening, so stay tuned and enjoy. The bus driver took us up to this beautiful viewpoint up at the top of this hill and looking down onto Rhodes Town and Newtown. So we began in the square in Rhodes Old Town, but if you do visit this area, do be careful because there are one or two unscrupulous vendors that will try and drag you into their restaurant or taverna, as they call them, and quite often you'll be paying a little bit more than you anticipated. So do be careful where you choose to go and have something to eat or drink. Basically, look if there's any prices on display. If there's not, you could be getting ripped off. Place that will not rip you off is Socrates Garden. Absolutely beautiful oasis. Not a lot of people know it's here, but well worth a visit. I did a little bit of research as usual and decided to go to Mama Sofia for our dinner, and we'd seen loads of reviews where it's been highly recommended. Really good restaurant, so this is what we plumped to sit down and have our evening meal. We're at Mama Sofia for our dinner, and it's some of the food we've seen already looks absolutely gorgeous, so this is going to be a really nice meal. Got some wine chilling. Oh, very nice. Got the beer flowing. Kim's got a tropical something or other. Pineapple and lime and mint or something. That's really nice. All is well. Well, food's arrived, guys. Kim's got the moussaka and I've got these lovely looking lamb chops. I mean, how good does that look? That looks absolutely delicious. I know it's going to be nice. Anyway, enough filming, time to eat. Mama Sofia, highly recommend it, absolutely delicious, and they even gave us a nice free ice cream, which was delicious. I've already eaten this. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. One thing I love about Rhodes is just you find little gems like this. I mean, that's gorgeous, isn't it? You could just sit there and having a cup of tea or a beer or whatever. Gorgeous. The whole place is just really, really lovely. And if you want to buy yourself a nice frog clock, Rhodes is the place to come to buy one, because there it is. Yeah, and some toys, some maracas, if you want some maracas. Yeah, all good stuff. It's your friend again. I think I could rock a pair of them at work. What do you reckon? What are they called? Do they have a word? Handicraft, yeah. I'm sure the Everzones wear them. If you know what they're called or what they're used by, is it the Everzones, the soldiers? Let me know. I'd like to know. Lovely turtles. Fake football stuff. I came in this shop earlier to buy a cap, and they got loads of football shirts in there. So I said to the lady, "Do you have any?" I said, "No, I didn't say that." I said, "You won't have the shirt of my team." And she said, what is your team? And I said, Middlesbrough. She went, no. So I left. I bought the hat though. Absolutely amazing looking mosque. I'm not sure why, but I saw a few people selling these potato peelers wherever they were. Now, if you fancy a burlesque show, this is your place to go to. Personally, I'm not into a burlesque thing, but you can do it if you want to, in Rhodes. Palace of the Grand Masters. Yeah.
We'll be doing that when we come over there.
Anna, guarda che bei vestitini!
Ale, glielo fai vedere dopo, dai!
Vet du vad vite betyder?
Ecco, le moschee è un tipo di architettura.
Must get some of this herb stuff at some point. Your feta cheese. Get cheaper than that though, €5. Do you want a catapult? This is nice, Kim. Lovely place. I used to work with a bloke like this. His name is Terry, I think it was. He used to drive me to work in the early 80s. Yeah, nice guy he was. Doesn't say much, does he? Not a word. It's quite funny. We've got a Hard Rock Cafe t-shirt, Rhodes, and there is not a Hard Rock Cafe in Rhodes. What's that all about? Them shirts are nice, I like them. Yeah, very nice colours. Hello.
Hello, Greece, Rhodos.
What is your name?
Dimitris.
Dimitris, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name is David.
Nice to meet you,
Nice to
David.
meet you, sir. What do you sell? Your cakes? Oh, look at this.
Homemade.
I'll put this on my YouTube channel.
All right.
Yeah. This looks really nice.
Scripts.
Oh yes.
And we have very, very good Greek food. Gyros, moussaka, gemista, stifado. Look at our girls, Alexia and Roxani.
Hello. Hello. This looks beautiful. It's
We
really
are
nice.
street.
The problem that I have is I already have food. But anyway, this is the name of the place, guys. You need to come here. It looks delicious. Coffee, more food, drinks, savoury, sweets. Oh my goodness. Beer, soft drinks.
Greek beer, mythos.
Mythos.
Leave your myth in Greece.
Oh, see? All right. Thank you for showing me around your lovely place.
There he is, pointing
Yeah, that's it, man. We need to go on the webcam. Already filled, thank you. Do you want to put your hand in this water? Yeah. Then we need to go on the webcam. Oh, oh nice. So good. This is weird because we've been looking forward to this holiday for like 11 months. We've both been on the webcam, which is, where is it, Kim? It's up there. The webcam's up there. So now the plan is to go on the webcam and see if we can see ourselves. I'll take a screenshot and I'll try and put it in the video somewhere. Hansel and Gretel up there as well. And lo and behold, you can see us stood there to the right of the fountain. That's me in the blue, light blue t-shirt, looking down. Yeah, bit of a novelty to see yourself on a webcam whilst you're on your holidays. Great stuff. It's a lovely spot, I have to say, but these places, they're always trying to drag you in to sell you wanting a boot full of beer. But right, let's find it. Hi guys, how's it going? Pretty good by the looks of it. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 6 trees rolled into one. It's gorgeous, isn't it? A bit like the old banyan tree, isn't it? The stuff around the tree. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that.
Check on that.
Sort of place I would avoid, no prices.
Maybe this time. For a drink. Thank you very much, sir.
No price, no visit. Not going there then. Now this place here is famous for historical reasons, but I don't know what they are. Like I said before, this is not really a historical video, but let's have a little look at this place anyway. Latin Church of Our Lady of Mercy, 14th century. Now that is old. That is very old. Well, there it is, in all its glory. I sound dead ignorant, don't I? I don't mean to. I appreciate stuff like this, but for the purpose of this video, it's not really, yeah. You know what I'm saying, don't you? There are tons of other videos of historical stuff in Rhodes if you want to have a look at them. I'm more into bubble tea. Well, it's been an evening in Rhodes. It's been absolutely lovely. I'm sure you'll agree. There's some absolutely gorgeous yachts and boats and cruise ships out here, but you just can't beat it. I mean, look at that. Absolutely lovely. And indeed, it had been an absolutely lovely day. So we're heading back up to our hotel in Lindos and on the coach. So thanks very much for watching, guys. And as always, I really do appreciate you watching these videos, and I hope you enjoyed it. Cheers for now. Bye bye.